As evening draws near, it is time for the Shandha Arati of Goddess Bhavatarini. Every day, innumerable devotees gather here to offer their prayers as they clap their hands in accompaniment to the chant of Joy Ma, Joy Ma, Joy Ma, Joy Joy Ma.
Jagat sarvam twang jagat janani shive Mahadadyanu paryantam jadit sacharacharam Tvavaivatpaditam hadre tvadadhinamidam jagat Tvamadya sarva vidyanam asmakamapi janmabhu Tvang janasi jagat sarvam na tvang janati kaschana Tvang kali tarani durga shodashi bhuvaneshwari Bhumavati tvang bagala bhairavi chinnamastaka Tvam annapurna vagdevi tvang devi kamalalaya Sarva shakti swarupa tvang sarva deva mayi tanu Tvameva sukshma